So the coffee table. So last night I went out to the garage to check it again, and I could tell that all the stuff had loosened up. And so James took up the pressure washer and I brought it around back and I washed it all off again. There's some stains on it and some spots on it. So today I'm gonna try to polish all that off, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. I did get all the paint off of it, but I don't know if it's just damage from where the paint was. So let me show you what it looks like now. It's dirty though. I still have to wash it off like really good, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So here we are. This is what it's looking like. Yeah, it's gonna be really beautiful when it's done. I think I can scrub that off or buff that off. He said that with our Dremel tool, we have options with different bits, so I'm trusting him on that. So, this is what it's looking like. But see how it has all these these little stain marks and stuff? That's not paint. So, we'll see. All right. So now I'm going to go clear off something in the garage to put this on and hopefully get this started. I'm not gonna be able to do my door today because the weather is not going to permit it. It's beautiful right now, but I don't think it's gonna stay this way. And I really need it to stay that way so this gel stain can really dry. So hopefully next weekend I can do the door, but I'm gonna take this to the garage and see what I can do. All right, y'all. Look at that. Oh! And it went from this to this with this. So, oh, and I've used a scouring pad. So this is gonna take me a little while, but I think it's gonna be worth it. So I'm gonna get busy on this and then I will show you the after. All right, y'all. After about a good hour and a half, maybe an hour, here's this. This is what it's looking like. Now, I'm gonna go get me some warm water with a wet rag and kind of go over it. But look, I love it. Also, this is the state of my hands. It's not easy. Definitely not an easy project, but it looks beautiful. I'm so happy with it. So now I'm going to go get me some warm water and a soft cloth, and I'm just gonna come rinse everything off because there's still some residue from the barkeeper's friend. But this is the state of my little scrubby. But yeah, this really worked. So let me go get me some warm water, a soft cloth, and I'll be back. What do you think? You like it? You approve of it? You like the coffee table? I absolutely love it. It was so worth it, y'all. So worth it. I would do it all over again. I was stupid to ever paint it. What was I thinking? Totally worth it. So I hope y'all think it looks good. I can't wait to see it with the fireplace and all that done. I think that's really gonna look amazing. So, Buster, do you approve? Do you approve? Do you like it? Bub, do you like it? Huh? So now to coin a phrase from James, it's break time. So I'm gonna like cool off because I'm really, really hot. And then I don't know what we're gonna do today, so we will see. But I love it. Okay, some things I learned. Patience. It's not a hard process. It's really not. It's just the waiting and the time and having patience. Would I do it again? Absolutely. Because it was totally worth it. So, but yeah, just patience. It really, I'm like, I want it. But God's teaching me patience, even if it's through a DIY. So, yeah. So now let me cool off, hold my little Buster, and figure out what we're gonna do the rest of the day. Okay, now that the coffee table is done, which I'm loving so much, I just cannot believe the difference that made. I'm gonna show y'all the print I picked up from Michael's with the frame. They called last night around 7 and it was ready, so we run up there real quick and I picked it up, got it in the frame, got it hung up, and I've got to show y'all it. It looks so good. So let me take you into the bathroom and show you that print in that vintage frame. Now remember, I paid $4.99 for the frame. Yeah, $4.99. So let me go show you. All right, here's this beauty. Doesn't it look so good? I don't know if you can tell, but the mat is a textured mat. And that is 11 by 14 print. I'm not really sure what size the frame and everything is, but it was an odd size. It just a standard mat would not work. And I love all the chippiness of the frame. Love it all. And I think it just goes perfectly right there. Now the next frame I'm on the market for it's for this print right here. I want an old chunky wood frame, a 16 by 20. And I think that will definitely just set that off and make it look so much better. And I'm probably gonna be getting rid of those little birds. I'm not real sure, but I'm not happy with this setup right here, but it'll come to me. I don't know, it'll come to me. And then this was that basket part of the ottoman that I had originally set on top of my armoire. I set it up there, and my plan is to get some florals, like some greenery and stuff, and just kind of fill that up there and kind of have it draping off the sides. Can't do too much with the front because of the door, but I just thought it would kind of dress that up a little bit. So that's what's going on in this bathroom. Once I get those two things done, I think I'll be happy with it. It'll be complete, I guess you could say. I'm fine. It's not like dictating my moods. It's all coming together slowly. It's the thrill of the hunt, finding, you know, the pieces at the thrift stores and all that. And so I'm not in a great big hurry. It's fine how it is. But those are just kind of things I'm on the lookout for. So now James is up. He is working in the garage. He's cutting out some pieces for the fireplace. And we're gonna do some of that today. And I've kind of had an idea about the mantle, what I want to do for it. So we're looking for stuff for that. And yeah, slowly but surely it's coming together. I'm telling you, patience. God is really using these DIYs, these home projects that I have come up with. He is really using those to teach me patience, because I want it done like yesterday. And it just don't work out that way. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for me for today. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all maybe learned something from my trials and errors with the coffee table makeover. Sometimes DIY projects are quick and simple, and sometimes they take a couple of days, but the results was well worth it. So I hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a great weekend, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.